Hello, and welcome to the first video on this channel where we will explain the field of YouTube automation. My name is Morad, and I have 5 years of experience in this field. And yes, I also have YouTube play buttons just to prove my credibility, as you can see. In this video, I will explain the YouTube automation field and how someone can start in this area in the year 2025. Just for credibility, I showed you the YouTube play buttons I own, as well as the channels I manage. I'm going to refresh this channel page for us to confirm together. Here, as you can see, and I will show you the second channel as well, I'll refresh it too, and here we can see that the channel is real and I'm not faking it. As for the reason for hiding the channel names, as well as on the play buttons I showed you, it's for a specific reason. If this video gets, for example, 100,000 views, there are some kind people who will dedicate a few minutes of their time to mass report these channels for no reason. So I preferred to maintain privacy, and I will share with you the strategy or method I use to create this content. And yes, this is AI content if you want to know the type of content I make. So we will start by explaining YouTube automation from scratch, and I would like to begin by explaining why most people fail in this field. Many people start channels on YouTube, and I believe that a rate of 50 to 70% of people do not continue creating content. I'm talking here about faceless YouTube automation, not regular content creation, where you show your face in front of the camera. I'm talking about people who create channels without showing their faces. So we'll start with the reason why most people fail, just to keep the video somewhat short and not too long. Most people fail because of a poor choice of niche. Yes, my friend, the niche plays a huge role in determining the future of the channel you run. If the niche is oversaturated, meaning it has a lot of other competing channels, you won't succeed in it because there are too many channels and the niche is somewhat full, and you won't be able to succeed in it. There are niches or trends that appear almost monthly. If you can find a niche that is trending and also has few channels, not exceeding 10 channels in that niche, the probability of you succeeding in it reaches a rate of more than 90%. So this is the first reason why most people fail when creating a new channel. The second reason is also the poor quality of the videos. If you, my friend, create bad videos with poor quality, like 720p, or maybe some people create them in 360p, believe me, your channel will not succeed on YouTube. This platform's algorithm rewards video quality. If you have excellent quality videos in 1080p, 2K, 4K, these videos will spread quickly, and the algorithm will also help you distribute those videos to reach the largest possible audience.
So the second mistake is video quality. You must focus on making the videos of excellent quality. The third thing is inconsistency. Most people create a channel and publish 1, 2, or maybe 3 videos. By the third or fourth day of creating the channel, they create at most 4 or 5 videos, and when they don't notice any change in the number of subscribers or views, they give up completely and abandon the channel. Let me tell you that consistency plays a big role in content creation in general on a platform like YouTube. You must continue creating content daily. If 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or a month at most passes on the content you're creating and you don't notice any changes, you should either change the niche, meaning there might be a problem with it, or you should look at the channel's analytics or settings to see if there is a problem there. Other reasons for failure include not using artificial intelligence tools. My friend, we are in 2025, and it's unreasonable to start in YouTube automation without any knowledge of AI tools. Every person must know how to work with these tools, which I will show you now. But in general, you must have a background. Not a huge one, but you need to know how to use them because this field, especially as I'm speaking in 2025, involves more than 85% of work done by artificial intelligence. The remaining 15% is editing or montage, and this editing is done manually because there is currently no AI intervention in professional video editing. Perhaps in the future we will witness that, but I am talking about this period, a period where there is no intervention from AI to make professional videos. For this reason, you must know how to use AI tools if you want to accelerate your growth on YouTube. Secondly, a poor background in editing. Likewise, if you don't have a background, I'm not saying you have to be a professional or have years of experience. On the contrary, I believe that anyone can learn editing in just 1 week. Yes, I believe that anyone, if they dedicate a week to learning a specific program like CapCut, for example, which I personally use, it's a very easy program. You can use this program and learn it in less than a week if you want. And if you learn how to produce excellent videos with this program, you will notice a big change in the number of subscribers and views on your channel. Our third mistake is not using keywords. Yes, my friend. Many people just publish videos without any keywords, without any research on which keywords are trending or the words that will make that video go viral. So yes, keywords play a big role for the video. If you want me to make a dedicated video on keywords, let me know in the comments and I will make that video, because it's a somewhat long topic if I want to explain it in detail. As for the most important artificial intelligence tools that everyone should know how to use, we'll start with the first site, which is 11 Labs. 11 Labs is a site for voiceovers, or the voice that is in the videos. Personally, I find this site to be one of the best sites a person can use for voice in their videos. Firstly, because the voices on that site are professional and somewhat close to reality. And secondly, there is currently no competitor to this site, based on my experience. I've tried many sites since they started in 2022, and to this day, I haven't found any site that competes with 11 Labs in terms of video quality and also the quality and realism of the voice.
Our second site is ChatGPT. This site, and who doesn't know it, you can use it to prepare the script or the story in general that you will create. Whether it's for a short video or if it's a script for a long video, the ChatGPT site has many uses. You can also use it to create thumbnails and the video description. It has many uses, so everyone must learn how to work with ChatGPT, as it is also an important site in YouTube automation. Our third site is vidIQ, and who doesn't know this tool? It allows you to research competitors in the niche you are creating videos in, and you can also use the same keywords they use that contribute to their success. I consider this tool very important, especially for YouTube. There isn't only vidIQ, there are many tools. If you want to research this type of tool used for competitor and keyword research, you can search on YouTube and you will find that there are many tools to use, not just vidIQ. But I suggest vidIQ to you because I have been working with it for more than 3 years now, and it is the best tool a person can work with in terms of keywords. As for the video structure in general, it should be like this. So anyone creating videos on YouTube should have a structure. I'm talking here about faceless content, not content that requires you to show your face. This formula is generally for people who create channels without appearing in them. So here we have the idea, which generally takes 10 minutes. You can find the idea just by browse on YouTube. You see a video and create something similar. I didn't tell you to copy the video, but just to take ideas for videos. You can get these ideas just by scrolling on the YouTube platform. This thing won't take you much time, I think 10 minutes at most, personally, for me to get a viral idea. The second thing is the script or the story, which you will create with ChatGPT. This script or story, in general, if it's a long-form video, you will need to create a script. But if it's an AI story, for example, you should also create this story with ChatGPT, and it won't take you more than 10 minutes. You can just describe to ChatGPT what you want, and it will give you a structure for that story, based on which you will create images or videos using ChatGPT or other tools. If you want me to delve deeper into this topic, let me know in the comments as well. In general, this process takes 10 minutes at most. As for the voiceover, which is the stage where you create the voiceover if you have a script for a long-form video that you created with ChatGPT, here comes the role of the voiceover, which you will create with the 11 Labs site. This process generally takes 20 minutes at most. After creating the voiceover, we have the editing step, which I personally consider the most important thing in this whole process, so focus on the editing. If the editing you do is bad, I don't think people will watch the video.